BabyBus.
Kiki, look!
Wow! It's a present! What's inside?
I can't wait to open it. Let's open it now. What's inside?
Wow! There are a lollipop, a cake, and a chocolate bar.
Wow, I love them!
Kids, do you want to try this cake too?
Let's find some other friends to share with. Present! It's a present! Oh, yes. Let's open it. I want it to be a cake. Oh, why are they all toys? I want to have a cake. But toys are good too. We can play with them with our friends. It'll be fun. You're right. Kids, let's play with these toys. A lollipop, a sweet cake, and chocolate too. I love you. Let's enjoy together, all of my good friends. I love you. Come, all of my good friends together. Let's hold hands and let's share together all this tasty food. Oh, let's enjoy together the tasty food. I love you. A ball and a toy train and a dino dough. I love you. Let's play together, all of my good friends. I love you. Come, all of my good friends together. Let's hold hands and let's share together all of these toys. Oh, let's play together with these toys. I love you. Let's share together all this tasty food. I love you. Let's share together all these fun toys. I love you. Sing with us, my good friends. It feels good to share. Dance with us, my good friends. It feels good to share. Oh, we're all good friends. La 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 la. I love you.
Happy Valentine's Day, my friends!
I love you. Wow, lollipops! They look delicious. But I don't have enough money. Yeah! Huh? Oh. Hey, Whiskers, what's wrong? I was going to buy some lollipops, but the last sack was already sold out.
Huh? I've just bought a sack of lollipops.
It was Kiki who bought the last one.
We're all friends. You can have some of mine. 6 delicious lollipops, yellow, white, and pink lollipops. Here is a rainbow lollipop too.
Hey, friends, let's get together.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6. Everybody loves them lollipops. 6 delicious lollipops. Circle, square, and triangle shapes. Here is a heart-shaped lollipop too. Hey, friends, let's get together.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6. Everybody loves them lollipops. These are so delicious! Thank you, Kiki.
You're welcome. The lollipops are much more tasty when we share together.
We are all good friends. Huh?
Today is a very special day.
Yes, we're going to throw a surprise party. Good morning, Miss Cow.
Good morning.
I need a bottle of milk. Thank you. What else do we need, Mom?
Eggs, flour.
Ah. Good morning. You bought a lot of things.
Good morning. It's because today is a special day.
We're going to make a cake for a party. A cake?
Yes. Do you want to join us?
Sure! Let's make a cake! Eggs, sugar, milk, flour. Mix and mix, mix and mix. A cake, 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 cake. Let's make. Pour in the mix, put it in the oven. Bake and bake, bake and bake. A cake, 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 cake. Let's make. Wow, it smells good.
Let's squeeze the whipped cream.
1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze and squeeze, squeeze and squeeze. A cake, 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 cake. Let's make. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put some strawberries, put some strawberries. A cake, 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 cake. Let's make. Now our cake is ready.
Oh my! Whew.
Happy birthday, Dad!
Oh, thank you. Huh? Wow, it's a wonderful cake!
Well, now I see. Today we're having a birthday party for Mimi's dad.
Thank you for the great surprise party for me.
I look cool? Huh?
I think this is cool.
You know, Mr. Dao is still upset with us. Let's give him an apology gift.
Good idea. But what gift?
I have an idea.
A cage?
Of course not. Watch me. Woohoo!
Huh? It's a crab.
Ew! Wait! Mr. Dao is still upset.
You're right.
Oh, someone's coming.
Huh?
Let's hide.
Oh. What do we do now?
I have an idea. Woohoo!
Mr. Dao is inside. How will he know there's a gift?
I got it.
Huh? Another delivery? This is it?
Yeah.
It's beautifully wrapped. What's inside? Huh? Ah! Ah! Yeah. Ow!
Look, he seems to really like it.
I don't think so.
Yes, he does. I should go catch some more.
Who did this to me? I'll never forgive you. Ouch!
Huh? Hold on. I want to give him a gift too.
Huh? But that's your favorite jewelry.
If we want to apologize, we should give him the best. Now let me blow.
Hide! Hurry up!
Delivery again? Not this time. Ah!
Why did he put the crabs in the box?
It must be a new house for them.
Oh, haha! I'm prepared for this. A magnet. Yeah.
Look! I told you he would love the crabs!
No, maybe it's because my jewelry.
He likes my crabs!
No, he likes my jewelry.
It's my crabs!
No, it's my jewelry.
So it's you who did this. Oh? Oh? Now I'll teach you a lesson. Hello? I have some delicious juice for you. Come over here.
Delicious juice, I'm coming.
Wait!
Oh? I'm home. Is this juice for me? What have you done?